At Standard Water Control, we tackle basement problems of all kinds. Here we see a basement in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Aaron, the homeowner, had us install both our Service Mark Superior sump system as well as an egress window. We can see the discoloration on the bottom of the block walls. You can also see in some of the photos how the old clay pipe drain tile system had come apart in places. Our crew pulled out the old system, dug a new trench, and laid in our rigid PVC drain tile. We filled the trench with rock, laid down our patented diamond drainage board, and patched the floor with fresh concrete. We installed our dual seamless discharge system and a radon mitigation system. We also installed an egress window in one of the basement bedrooms. Being an older urban neighborhood, Aaron's house was very close to the property line. Standard Water worked with the City of Minneapolis to ensure the egress window well would pass inspection. Upon completion of the two jobs, Erin was very happy with our work and said that she was very impressed with how clean our crew kept her house, especially considering it was muddy outside. Continuing, she said, "Overall, we had a wonderful experience with Standard Water. Everyone was very helpful with answering our questions." In closing, she said that she was very much looking forward to a dry basement this spring. We'll be sure to check back with Erin in a few months to see how her basement holds up. In the meantime, if you have any concern about your basement flooding this coming spring, don't hesitate to get in touch with us for a free, no-obligation consultation. After this long winter, we'd love to help keep your spring worry-free.